A short essay on World Teacher Day.
Teachers are the real holder of knowledge, enlightenment, and prosperity, using which they nourish and prepare for our life. It is our teachers who stand behind our success. They serve as source of lightning lamp in our life. They help us to improve our knowledge, skill, level, confidence, as well as they shape us in a right shape to get success. So we too have some responsibilities towards our loyal teachers. We all, as obedient students, need to do a heartily welcome and say them wishful thanks for their selfless services of teachings all through the lives as well as shaping the life of various students. Teachers' Day, which is celebrated once a year on 5th of October, is the great chance to us to spend a day for them and say thanks.